Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Your breaking news no Emma Musisi as police for Achemisbel. So we've gotten confirmation from Bibia Stacey Amwatin, MC radio station our manager Angel FM. We also a confirmation the police for Acheno. The latest on that particular story, and it's police for asɛm reporter baako asɛm a wɔka ɛne sɛ yɛagye Miss Bell phone na say womunim it is looking like Miss Bell will not be released today because say obisa said that ben be releasing or see police opinion say just and the boss akasa ansana you be releasing Miss Bell. So that is what we are hearing. Say Miss Bell it is looking like she will not be released today because and there ameno kase sisi ameno kase kaya still we police custody. Na Ghana for bebre atre wo mo adwen wo hwe me posty news no in a very short while. I've seen a lot of people comment on it. You know, my hair channels any website or more reporting on this particular story no. Na my hair ni na NHS made a comment Ghana for air passy on this particular breaking news air bano made a whole comment in the Bremontino. You heard the Ghana for air can on the arrest of Miss Bell. A Ghanaian sympathizing with her. What are people saying? So let's just read and see what people are saying. Or say, Obi, I friend Linda. Linda say, "Oh, Miss Bell, why? You must be careful. A word to a wise is enough." When you say, Linda, just say, "If you two are they Emma Miss Bell no." Obi also say, "Wow, Mr. and Miss Amwatin very matured. They handled this in a very professional manner. It was serious defamation of character." Exactly. And also, Asema will be Eka. Once you be an on ebenya asem social media. Now one also aba. Na kyerɛ wɔne wo aba abɛtotototo dabi ebi mo de unim na de call mo so omo de wo ebekɔ court nti we na wo bi ɛka sɛ senior Stacey Amwatin will handle asem no a very matured way yante hu popoye bia ye bɛte ane sɛ police wo akɔ Miss Bell ɛno ɛne asem a ɛda hɔ now she will learn her lessons next time everything she will say and also ne asem a will be ɛka say Miss Bell will be nyansa efri adewe mu na bibia no wobeka obi so say if you see a black man happy it's because his fellow is in trouble. God is definitely with Miss Bell cause Miss Bell did Facebook live 5 minutes ago and also ni asema will be can say we hear Facebook live no we ni e be chi no so den but obi can say Ghana de wo hu say will be ekọ ahotri mu na hu say will be Israel na tre say na danfo bi ekọ ahotri mu ntia na nipa ko no wo sre no and also ni asema will be ediaba. But say my respect for Mr. and Miss Amwatin. I love them. Next time you will watch what you say. Ofui. And also ni asema will be can say in Crawford the asem no air film the Miss Bella. Utumi say people actually have issues with Miss Bella. Asem way abe wamudi film wa wamudi di na temu a enye atemdidi ketwa. I say we need facts please. When someone is arrested okay, I see. I feel sorry for my favorite girlfriend. I hope she would sail through. And also, Asema will be Eka. I say Miss Bell should come out and tell us any secrets hiding in the issue, the source of the fight, Najugezi and Papano, because this issue is getting out of hands. What are the police doing about Najugezi too? And also, Asema will be Eka. I say Tracy must be doing serious cartwheels and also Asema will be Eka. I don't understand some things here. She has been released and she's on her way home. Okay, and also Asema will be can say you're releasing Miss Bell now when I'm calling her Wokofi. If you're releasing her, I mean that's what people are saying. We'll bring you that story later. But as we are talking right now, that is the report we are getting. Say Miss Bell, it is looking like she'll not be released, but also Eka. That's the text coming through. You're releasing. So we hope that indeed she has been released. I say nonsense to Power 5. This is defamation. What I say this defamation. Why not channel to court? This is not an issue to be arrested. Exactly what I was saying. Say we a civil matter and a criminal matter. Into Yako reporting Miss Bell to the CID in a car. For me, I didn't understand because as someone police for my ATS said defamation. Defamation and so you name there. wo de nipa ko no bɛkɔ court yɛn nkɔbɔ police amane sɛ police nkɔkye nipa ko no nti na asɛm no akɔyɛ bibia wɔ hɔ akɔyɛ sɛ wo ɛyade a ɛtɛsi wɔ Ghana but defamation normally na nke ni kwa sɛ police kra bem obi sɛ wudin a yɛn kɔ reporting ma police obi sɛ wudin a de ɛyɛ ɛne sɛ yɛ de nipa ko no kɔ court na court atron krata nti wo hwɛ Mami Ekuadon kɔkɔ kan papa no a ɛyɛ parliamentary candidate bi okobo ne din a parliamentary candidate no ɛde ne kɔ court won say police wan kɔ ankɔkye Mami Ekuadon kɔ ye the case no ana ye the nkrata no kɔma Mami Ekuadon kɔ. That is how defamation cases work. But when police for be mu a wo mo ka say ɛyɛ defamation no for me it feels Ghana pe na mate sa asɛm no Ghana pe ɛna woni panyi ana woni obi a ɔyɛ influential enya asɛm a na ɛyɛ defamation no kwa kan say for obi no ɛyɛ defamation instead say ye de obekɔ court no na tese yama police for aba abɛhia. We saw the same thing. Embra, Reverend Obofo, yeni aye hunyama esisi or no so sa defamation cases be by normal police for coaching. That's for me what I know. And from the police personnel be on yam and nango for me no more kasano. They yo more catch me no say defamation cases they are civil. But Miss Beldi, you say a CID for headquarters. Criminal Investigation Department headquarters and they call report asem and almost di chimi e coach Miss Bell. I don't know. But the other one no. So I am not the only person saying this. A branch a friend Albert Into. Asema one also can no. Or say this is defamation. And why not channel it to court? This is not an issue to be arrested. Unless Abia, the report we are hearing, no, it is not the full report. Unless Abia, there is something else attached. But the report we are hearing say defamation there. For me, I said that. And I will be so air can. So it shows say at least me and make us mention that name in Bremus and Akrano. As another side, no, it was a bit cool. I see, I say, well done, Mr. and Mrs. Amwating. It is time Ghanaians wake up. She was just saying what she was told. I understand the harm she has caused, but please don't drill her too much. Why? And also, Niasema will be Eka. I say, Tressa, Ghana, dear, Jimmy Nkwan. Why are we even paying so much attention to this Miss Bell and Tracy Boachi issue? Whereas other nations are making frantic efforts to better lives through research, tech innovations, medical breakthroughs, space exploration. Into being so as what can say Ghana, as you will see a time, I was said in your phone. So that is the story coming through. A lot of people reacting to that. Obinso in Kofo comment our day, but say Miss Bell should be careful with Nigel Gacy. Enough is enough. And also near some Blessed Francis or Deba. Isabella also say to the 1% people who see this, have great day. Okay, I say all these quarrels and thanks to Kennedy Japan for introducing this trend to Ghana. Hey, now we Kennedy Japan and also Kennedy Japan if I know who be na monso mo be boni din Ghana for so there. Ye pesa dey we are semi senior bon crofodi. I say we fa Kennedy Japan. And so be ya to say, well, ya the Kenya Japan wako share same way mu. Hey Ghana. Oh, David. I see, they just want information to tarnish John Mahama. Why must they take her phones from her? And also, Asema will be air cantino. Reporter, ya the man will say, phone, ya jini phone. No. People are commenting, maybe Monswati, Wamoka say, Adenti, and ya James Bell phone. I say, go to court. Why police? A Jimmy for, and also, Asema will be a deba. I say, stupid arrest. Please leave TB out of this. Who is TB? I don't know who you are talking about. Okay, see, rich men are behind this. The founder of Angel TV is behind this. We don't know anything about it. The founder of Angel TV, the founder of Angel TV, Kwesi Otin, Dr. Kwesi, I think that's his name. Intendo will be can say Wakahubi. For that we can't say we don't know anything about it, so we will dissociate ourselves from that particular comment. We don't know anything. I say, wow, fantastic. I say the kind of issue. I say this kind of issue is useless. Ahmed Swale and JB Dankwa were dead, and still the police are silent on it. I say this Ashawo girls issue is a no. Oh. And I'm also Miss Bell Yashawo. Obviously, if true, Ghana police is black or the police for them than I thought. I mean, if untrue, it is a civil matter. Under the law of tort and negligence, the right charge is slandering and defamation. Like you said at the end, Tracy Amoating needs to start a civil action, preferably through a lawyer. So, what was the police thinking if that was the case? Crazy country where abuse of power is the norm and separation of powers just bull. Nti asɛm a obi ɛka no deɛ meme ka yɛ na ne baako ne ka sɛ ne kra sɛ asɛm wei yɛ ne kra pan deɛ a wei ɛyɛ abuse of power because sɛ yɛ ne kra na kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Miss Bell yɛ started court proceedings ɛfa ne ho na ɛne kwan sɛ police kra ebem ɛnyɛ asɛm a ɛwɔ sɛ police bem wei ni asɛm a ebi mo ɛka mo ntwɛ mo adwo comment box mo tie for me da ase.